Have you ever seen anyone with a dog?
Or a cat? Such animals that live with humans for companionship or other uses are called domestic animals. Have you ever wondered where these animals came from? The farm animals that we see, know, or keep today evolved from some wild animals, some of them which became extinct. Animals like the eohippus, grey wolf, and the auroch appeared on the earth before humans in the prehistoric period. From them, horses, dogs, and cattle were evolved respectively. They were then captured and tamed by humans. The dog was the first animal to be domesticated in the Middle Stone Age. After them, goats and sheep were domesticated. Dogs were initially used for hunting by humans and safeguarding goats and sheep, just like the collie dogs from Scotland safeguard sheep today. In the New Stone Age, cattle were domesticated. On basis of gender, they were kept for different uses. Males called bulls were kept for meat and ploughing, while females called cows were kept for milk. The Holstein Friesian cow is an example of dairy breed. The turkey that evolved from the wild turkey was tamed by the Aztecs about 1500 years ago. The Berkshire pig was domesticated in the 18th century. The domestic animals came from some or the other country or province. The American Hampshire pig came from the USA. The Kadaknath came from Madhya Pradesh. The Anglo-Nubian goat came from the UK. The thoroughbred horse, the bulldog, and the bull terrier came from England. Some animals were also named after the places they came from. The Siberian husky that pulls sleighs for the Chukchi people, just like the Malamute, came from Siberia. The Persian cat came from Persia. The Arabian horse came from the Arabian Peninsula. The Provence donkey came from Provence. The Scottish Highland cow, the only cattle breed with the eyes covered, came from the Scottish Highlands. The Suffolk sheep came from Suffolk, England. The Spanish Merino sheep came from Spain. The Manipur pony came from the Indian state of Manipur. And the Australian pony came from Australia. But some animals were not named after the places they came from. The Indian runner duck came from Indonesia and not our India. While the Bombay cat and the brown Swiss cow came from the USA and not from the places mentioned in their names. And the Cochin chicken came from China and not from Kochi, India. Farm animals have always given us their love and support. Now we must also repay their love with kindness. They too are our family and friends and have feelings like sorrow, happiness, and pain.